Welcome back. Those of you who are new to the channel, this is my loader project. And if you want to see more of this, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I found another clearance issue, so I need to grind this down a bit. Figuring out the accelerator pedal and the cable that joins the pump and the pedal. I need to make a stopper so that I can adjust the cable length, and I need a clip for it. This is an old injector seal. Perfect. Okay, a little plan of change. I harvested the original throttle cable from the car, so it has a right connector for the pump, and the other end is the same as the new cable, but this is totally fine and moves freely, so I'm gonna use the original cable. Okay, so I got the piece of metal and this timing belt roller. Hey, it's a bonfire! Some metal from the steering column leftovers. Valet pidi! This is 14. To the warehouse. I need a return spring because the pedal is a bit heavy, so it needs a little help. Nice weather. I'm making a stopper for the clutch cable. So let's try out this homemade pipe bending. This will be the clutch pedal. This is the tube from the UTV, UTV project. This is gonna be simplest pivot ever. Just an 8mm bolt and so the sleeve of the cable will get pulled by this ring, and the cable itself is gonna be tied to the frame. And there was finally a warm day that I could weld with the doors open, so I took advantage of the weather and welded almost everything. I damaged this sleeve here a bit and the pin got a bit stuck. I welded through the outer sleeve and it welded a spot over here, and now I have to file this down. Did you hear that? I get to find another clearance issue. I have to fix the steering. It's binding Otherwise it runs great, drives okay. See you next time.